these are our roasters. We've got 3 small roasters where we roast about 100 grams in each batch, and there it's going to roast about 10 minutes until we get a nice medium roasted color that we can do our quality control with.
Okay, so what's happening now?
So if you just pour in 100 grams in the top of the roaster here and lift the handle, we can start the roasting. And the coffee is green now at the start, and the smell is more like a raw pepper smell almost. It doesn't smell anything of coffee, a little grassy. Yeah. This stage of the roasting process we call the drying phase. We're going to go from about 12.5% moisture down to 6 during this phase, so lots of the liquid is leaving the coffee, and if you have a smell,
it smells almost like toasted bread.
And the color is yellow, that's where we know we're right into this drying phase.
Oh, this time it smells really sweet.
Yeah, that sweet smell is a really clear sign that we're in this Maillard reaction. The caramel, the sugar in the coffee is caramelizing. Coffee's starting to roast really now. We're not baking it, we're roasting it properly now. And then the final phase of the coffee before we can start drinking it, we call first crack. So if you come in close to the coffee machine, you can hear it popping almost like popcorn. After this phase, we can start to drink the coffee. Before this, it's just too hard to grind, and we don't really get any flavor out of it when we brew it.
How dark does the coffee need to be?
Anything we like from now we can drink. We don't want to take it so far that we start a fire in the building, but you can go pretty dark and still drink it if you like. It's more preference about what you like. When we're roasting for cupping and for tasting here in the lab, we want something kind of medium roasted, because otherwise the coffee roasting flavor is taking over from the actual coffee flavor.
Now it really smells like coffee.
Yeah, and now if you want to have it really dark, really bitter, really strong, you can take it this far. Yeah, and now we're at a good kind of roast level for espresso. If it's a little bit darker, it's a little bit easier to extract flavor, and we kind of get rid of those really acidic flavors. Good job.